Hello, Happy New Year! Here with Prince.
Hi guys!
Finally nag-open na tong Jiangnan sa may SMDC Fame. Ayan, ang laki niya, maganda siya.
Yes.
Look.
Actually, spacious siya, guys.
Yeah,
and
spacious.
the place is,
And
of course,
clean.
it's new. It's very clean. Look at that, may cling wrap. Guys, sobrang bago niya pa. Kami po magbibinyag ng mga kubyertos nila.
Yay!
Oh, dito, walang divider.
Meron.
Alright,
Okay,
thank
sige.
you.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you, miss.
So, mali yung soup na nabigay sa amin. Isa lang, original. Kasi dalawa yung kinuha namin. Yung original and mild spice. Pero isa lang yung na-serve nila. Kaya pala walang divider.
I was looking for the divider, diba?
Yeah.
Pero
Ayan.
dito may cover, diba? Pag
Ma'am.
sinaserve. I think that's for safety purposes, diba? Para pag mag-spillover, just in case tina-transport from the kitchen going here, mas safe siya.
Gutom na kami. Alam mo ba, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch.
Wow! Diet ka? Fasting ka ngayon?
Hindi, kasi galing ako ng Bulacan. Tapos, nag-take out lang ako ng cheesy burger. Tapos, nag-bus na ako pabalik ng Manila. Tapos, pag uwi ko, tulog na ako.
Natulog ka na? Napagod ka na?
Yeah. Tapos, nagising na ako ng 4. Tapos, nagbubook ako ng,
Ng Grab. Tapos, na-cancel kasi since 4 p.m. ay 5 p.m.
Oo, tapos 6 p.m. na, wala pa rin nag-pick up ng driver. Sobrang,
or
daming.
less yung riders today kasi New
Yeah,
Year.
kasi holiday
Baka
na.
naka-hangover pa sila.
Nasa family pa, sa celebrate.
Yes, correct.
Happy New Year!
Actually, today, this was very candid, no? Kasi nga, it just opened. My
Yeah.
plan was to eat the leftover spaghetti that I cooked last night. And the other handa. Happy New Year! Yan!
Yay!
Oh, thank you so
There
much,
goes.
Kuya.
Let's go! And this is their famous peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce.
The best. Ito yung laging binabalik-balikan kasi talaga.
Yes.
Napakasarap talaga. Ito yung standard ng sauce ng hot pot.
Correct. Actually, kahit nga, di ba may grill, meron silang sangkip dito, like grill.
Oo.
Kahit ito din yung sauce mo, masarap pa
Masarap
rin siya.
na siya, no?
Yes. Parang all-around sauce siya.
Kaya,
All-purpose sauce.
And you have to try the melted beef.
Yeah, the melted beef. Yeah,
Masarap siya, no?
May additional charge nga lang siya on top
Yes.
of the, di ba, mag-additional something for the grill. Tapos yung melted beef, may
On top pa
additional
yun.
charge din siya. Kasi
Yes.
I think it's a
It's a
special type
premium
of
beef.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Apart from
premium
the Angus, apart from the Wagyu cubes, melted beef is a different one.
So, kwentuhan kami ng kwentuhan. Yung pala hindi naka-on yun. Ayaw ko mulo.
Bigla siyang namatay.
Biglang namatay. Ayan na. Kumukalo na.
Yay! Dip it! 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 10 seconds is up. And then dip it to the special sauce. Special sauce.
Peanut sauce.
Up. Ice cream yummy.
Umay ka. Hello, so we're almost done. Actually, paubos na yung food namin. Pero nag-ask pa kami ng additional sauce kasi medyo paubos na siya.
Additional broth.
Broth pala, not sauce. Pero
Ito
nag-ask
sauce
pa
actually.
kami.
Nangin tayo ng
nag-ask pa
sauce.
tayo.
Tsaka broth.
Naubos na rin namin yung meat namin. Nag-ask pa kami ng additional Angus beef.
Yes, kasi ito masarap guys.
Alright, we're on our last plate.
Last plate.
Last plate of Angus beef. Pero yeah, last plate na namin.
Pero yung
So,
last
look-
plate, tignan mo yung itsura ng Angus beef.
Ang daming marbling na nangyayari.
Correct.
Okay, so busog. Thank you, Lord.
So, busog. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Alrighty, dessert time. So, this is the dragon fruit flavor.
How was it?
Way better
How is
than the
it?
other one. Kasi di ba yung isang branch binumutan natin,
Vanilla lang yan. Choco vanilla lang.
Pero hindi masarap. Ito mas okay. Tignan mo yung
Dragon
sa'yo.
fruit. So let's try this one.
That
This is
the avocado.
avocado. Mukha kasing mango.
Taste
So this
it.
their avocado ice cream. Ooh.
Kamusta? Nasa avocado ba?
Yeah, lasang avocado, pero
Fruity. Masyadong fruity.
hindi nga eh.
Di ba?
Medyo parang powdered.
Okay na yan. Kaysa
Pero
dun-
okay siya. So, ayun, tapos na kami kumain.
Yeah, guys,
Nag-dessert
ito ni
na kami.
Aftermath. Ayan na, puro na lang. Ubus na ubus yan. Kala mo kare-kare, oh. Ah,
Nag-brown na yung original soap. Yun lang, bye!
bye!